my friend. Oh, Carissimo.
Hey, my friend, you know this guy? Yeah. Wow.
What are you talking about?
Who are you talking about? Oh, this guy.
You can't judge me, bro. You can't judge me.
I can't dance for this guy. This guy, they call him.
Let me see you dancing.
Me dancing for Tongali Willie.
Hey.
My taxi, my taxi, my friend.
Your English. You dancing for Tongali Wheel.
Listen, my friend. You listen.
Tongali Wheel is a person.
Yes, this guy is singing. Yes, this guy is Tongali Willie releasing a new song. The name of the song is
Do you know Tongali Wheel? What Tongali Wheel means?
I don't know. What means?
Hey, bro, you see this?
Yeah.
See this?
Yeah, this
Like
is the wall, man.
Yes.
So Tongali Willie is the wall.
Can you make this wall? You can't make this wall. So which means Tongali Wheel? It's a wall that has fallen already. Or maybe
Me, not this guy. You see, listen this guy. Listen this guy, my friend.
Tongali Wheel this one.
Yeah.
Let's do like this. I know and understand that you know this guy. But I never listen to her song, to his songs. I know even one song of him. I and Yazi
Yazi.
and Yazi.
My friend, you can't know. You be person from there, Eastern Cape. You also coming from Eastern Cape. But you don't know that guy.
That's from Eastern Cape.
He is from Eastern Cape.
Where?
Coffin Baba.
A lot of people coming from Eastern Cape. Coffin Baba.
Yeah, Coffin Baba.
No.
Coffin Baba. That guy. There by Coffin Baba.
No, don't worry.
You must search it.
It's,
You must search, my friend.
His name, come again?
Tongali
Tongali Wheel. Yeah, you said Tongali Wheel.
Tongali Wheel.
You listen to his songs.
The name of the song, my friend, is Emateki Scene.
Oh, Erengi.
Yeah. Emateki Scene, my friend. This guy is making nice music, my friend. I just listening ever since I come here in South Africa. This guy is also
Tongali Wheel.
Yeah. This guy is also released most album last year album. This guy also released
You know this time long. This guy long time.
Yeah, but you guys, you Xhosa people,
We undermine each other.
Yeah, you don't want other one throw up.
Yeah,
Because you
yeah.
just when
I also do music, but
you see,
I can't play music now.
Yeah.
Because of now I'm desperate. I want to listen to this guy.
I listen to those young guys. Say you also doing music. Don't leave music.
I can't say I am dope or I am. You see?
But you must believe tomorrow you're gonna be a big thing in South Africa, my brother. Keep hope.
Can't I play something for you?
Yes.